How much did you have to drink, miss?
I swear, just one glass.
Okay, how big was the glass?
Maybe a little more than just like the serving, but it was at 10:30.
You're gonna get back in the starting position.
I'm sorry. I'm just
It's okay.
I've been through this before, and it's very scary.
It's okay.
I don't want to do this again.
Around 2:40 a.m. on October 29th, 2023, in Delran Township, New Jersey, Patrolman Tyler Mania observed a blue 2011 Hyundai Genesis running a red light at the intersection of Haynes Mill Road. After stopping the vehicle on Route 130, near Creek Road, officers identified the driver as 24-year-old Madeline.
How you doing? Patrolman Malley, Delran Township Police. You got license, registration, and insurance on you. Where are you headed to right now?
Home.
Coming from where?
Philly.
Philly, what were you doing out there?
I was hanging with some friends.
Did you guys have a Halloween party?
Yes. I actually don't have my license on me. I think she
Okay.
has. Hold on one second.
Whose car is it?
This is my car.
It's registered to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to drink tonight?
A little bit earlier.
Okay.
But,
What's a little bit, miss?
One drink.
One drink?
I have had a DUI before,
Okay.
so I'm definitely very careful
Okay.
with driving. But I don't have my license on me. She might have it.
Who's she?
Her name's Colleen. She's
Okay.
my friend. But I do have my insurance.
What was the one drink?
I had a glass of wine.
A glass of wine?
Yep.
Okay.
I had a glass of wine at about 10 o'clock, 10:30.
Okay. Would you be willing to hop out just so at least I can check your eyes and we go from there?
Sure.
Okay. You understand it would be for standard field sobriety just to make sure that you aren't too intoxicated or anything like that? Okay. The reason you're being stopped is, Cinnamon said you were moving pretty good, all right? You were speeding through their town, but also you ran the red light, right in front of us at Haynes Mill. What was up with that?
Honestly, I was looking at my phone at my directions, and then the red light wasn't right in front of me, and I slammed, but then I didn't make it in time, so just...
Man, the light was red. Like it wasn't like it had turned or anything like that. Like it was already red. Okay. What's your name, miss?
My name is Madeline.
What is it?
Madeline?
Madeline?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm trying to pull up my insurance for you, but it isn't.
Okay. All right. Well, let's hop out first, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
As Madeline was asked to perform field sobriety tests, her overwhelming anxiety became apparent. She repeatedly apologized, tears streaming down her face.
Try to get away over here. Yep. Not on the curb, but away from the curb. We're just saying it's away from the road, okay? So, you said you've been through this before, right?
Yes, unfortunately, and now I'm very nervous about it.
Okay. Don't be nervous, all right?
I think I'm gonna cry.
Don't.
I don't want to do this again.
I got you. So, first thing I'm going to do, check your eyes, all right? So,
I know, but now they're cheering up, so I'm sorry.
it's okay. All right? So, feet together, arms down by your side, okay? You wear contacts, glasses,
No,
any
I'm just
issues with your eyes?
Starting to cry, I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right?
I don't want to do this again.
Do you see the tip of the pen?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. You're going to follow the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
I know, I just don't want to do this all over again.
I got you.
God forbid.
All right. Keep your head still, okay? Please don't move your head.
I'm trying my best.
You're good.
I am watching the pen, I
No,
swear.
you're doing great. All right. How much did you have to drink, miss?
I swear, just one glass.
Okay. How big was the glass?
Maybe a little more than just like the serving, but it was at 10:30. I didn't have much to eat. But
You haven't had anything else other than that?
No, and I had a breathalyzer for 90 days. I swear.
Okay.
I know my limits.
Do you have an ignition interlock in there?
Not anymore. I did get it out.
Okay. It is out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I fully have learned my limits. I
Okay.
just wanted to get home.
All right. Well, I'm gonna run you through the next 2 tests because I mean, unfortunately, I don't think it was just a little bit of wine. All right. So next test we're gonna do is gonna be the walk and turn. Okay. I'm gonna have you come off the curb just a little bit more. All right. Right here. Right here. Nope. Right.
Sorry.
Perfect. Stay right there. Okay. What's that?
Sorry that I'm crying.
No. Don't be sorry at all. How old are you, Madeline?
I'm 24.
24. Okay.
Never do this again.
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to have you do, okay? Do you have any issues, any injuries that would inhibit your ability to walk, your balance, or anything like
I
that?
don't have the best balance, but last time I said that, they didn't believe me, so I gotta,
Okay.
you know.
All right. Well, you don't have any
I have
injuries.
slides on.
I got you. You don't have any injuries to your legs, your back, nothing like that. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is get in the starting position, okay? So with your arms down by your side, you're going to place your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. All right. Can you do that for me?
I can do my best. I'm not the best at it.
Okay.
I will say that. But
All right. No problem. All right.
I don't want to be like inflicted upon because of that.
Okay. I'm just going to turn sideways, but right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Keep your arms down by your side, okay?
Yeah.
Can you do that for me?
Yes. Like this.
Switch your feet. All right. Do not move until I tell you to do so, okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. When I tell you to do so, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud with each step, like so. 1, 2, 3. I'm only taking 3. You're going to take 9. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. On your 9th
So
step.
I do want to say that it is very difficult for me to do that.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay.
And it doesn't have to do with the amount of, if I've drank or not.
Okay.
I do just want to preface that.
I got you. So on your 9th step, okay, you're going to leave your lead foot planted. With your back foot, you're going to kick it out, take a series of small steps, turning yourself around. Then you're going to take an additional 9 heel-to-toe steps back, counting out loud with each step, touching heel to toe. 1, 2, 3. Do you understand?
9, turn around 9.
Correct. You understand the instructions? Do you have any questions?
The only thing is, my ankles are a little bit tough with balance, but that's it.
Okay.
And it
All right.
slides on.
Okay. All right.
Okay, ready?
Do you want to take the slides off? It's up to you.
It may make it a little easier for me.
Okay.
I can't guarantee you
Then
that.
take them off then. You're going to get back in the starting position.
Starting position.
Right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Okay. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I start to do 9 this way?
As the instructions were given, man. Okay. Last test, okay? So this is just going to be a balance test, okay? So I will take into account what you said already, all right?
I'm sorry, I'm really nervous.
It's no problem, okay? So right now, just feet together, arms down by your side, all right? Don't move until I tell you to do so. You understand? Okay, when I instruct you to do so, you're going to lift the foot of your choosing approximately 6 inches. You're going to lift the foot of your choosing approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping it parallel with the ground, counting out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1000, so on and so forth till I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, again, with the foot of your choosing, keeping your arms down by your side, you're going to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground, count out loud. All right?
6 inches off the ground until you say stop. Right?
Until I say stop.
Can I stop crying first?
Sure.
I'm sorry. I'm just very
It's
nervous.
okay.
I've been through this before and it's very scary.
It's okay.
I don't want to do this again.
I got you. Whenever
I'm
you're...
sorry for being
It's
that way.
okay. Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
Okay. Sorry. Let me collect myself. Ready? Okay.
Yep. Counting out loud.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1023, 1024.
All right, you can stop. All right, you can put your slides back on, okay? And then just turn around for me, okay? Yes.
Why are you arresting me?
DWI.
It's back. What part did I not pass?
I'm sorry?
What part did I not pass for you?
Your eyes, and then your walk and turn. Alright, so real quick, we're going to go over these again when we get back to the station, but I'm just going to let you know them now, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned, and if you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed at no cost to represent you before any questioning if you wish one. If you agree to talk to us, the decision to waive these rights is not final. You may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Alright, again, we'll go over that again when we get back to the station, okay? Where do you want your phone out of there, purse? What? I got you. We can't just follow you home, hon. I know. I know.
Yeah. They'll put me in jail.
And a red light right in front of me.
And I just got a new job.
Do you want to answer questions?
Yes.
Okay. Are you under the influence of anything else other than just alcohol?
No.
Okay, you didn't smoke any weed, no narcotics, anything like that?
No.
Is there anything else in the car? Is there any narcotics in the car that we need to know about?
No, the only thing that is the alcohol I brought to the party I brought home with me, so it is in my car. But
Okay, what is that? A bottle of wine or?
there is a bottle of Jameson honey, but not drank while I was driving, I swear, on, any...
Okay, so did you drink that or did you have wine?
I had wine at the party. I did bring that because I was dressed as a bee for the party, so...
Honey, I got you. Understood.
Yeah, but, no, I had wine at the party.
Okay. Alright.
And
I heard she just had her purse. Yeah. Is there anything else you need? Alright.
Following the incident, Madeline faced 5 charges, including DUI, reckless driving, careless driving, failure to obey a traffic signal, and open container. However, under a plea agreement, the DUI charge was dismissed. Madeline pleaded guilty to reckless driving, was required to install an ignition interlock device for 2 months, and paid $440 in fines. All remaining citations were dismissed. Notably, prior to this incident, Madeline had previously been arrested for driving under the influence in Lumberton Township, New Jersey, on December 10, 2022. What are your thoughts on how Madeline handled this situation? Drop your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any real-life bodycam stories packed with lessons and insight.
So you were issued 5 tickets, okay? So it's the DWI, reckless driving, careless driving, failure to observe the traffic signal, and then the open container, okay? You have a court date. The court date right now, is obviously tentatively it's November 15th. If you're going to get an attorney, then they can contact the court and everything would go that way, okay? This yellow sheet is your copy of the tow form. That goes to your mom. So, all right, no problem. If you have any questions, it's at Delran Township Municipal Court. You just contact our court, okay? This is your copy of that. I'm just going to hand you everything for right now. Is that all right with you? All right. And then there is your ID as well. That's hers. Yours is in your purse. Correct.
And the keys are in.
Yep.
Thank you.
You got it.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too.